how are you? This is Dr. Saila. Today I'm making something special I wanted to share with you. These are the lemons that I got from San Francisco, and we don't have it in Boston here. So these are called Mayer lemons, and they're smooth skin and dark color, and they're very delicious. Actually, they're slightly sweeter than the other lemons, and they have a little spicy flavor to it. And I make a lot of things with these lemons because they're so delicious and so precious. And we know that there's evidence-based studies that show that lemons are good for your heart health and your digestive health and weight control, and also for kidney stone prevention, things like that. So because there's so many benefits, and especially the vitamin C, which we all need nowadays, so just preserve those lemons. Just don't waste them, not even the rind. So I dehydrate the lemons. You can use dehydrator or you can use oven, and you can juice them and freeze the juice. And these are the rinds after you juice. I dehydrate them. So you can make the tea, you can make potpourri with the cinnamon, dried cinnamon, and there's so many benefits. I can't even list them here. So just please watch how I am dehydrating them. It's very useful. I make lemon juice with some of the lemons, and some I dehydrate. You just cut into wheels basically, but today I cut it into bite-sized pieces, but usually I cut this into wheels. And then once you cut this, you add sea salt and turmeric to the pieces, just a little bit, to your taste. And then once you add it, you can arrange them all on a dehydrator sheet. And then I put this dehydrator sheet in my dehydrator, which is, this is an Excalibur 10 tray dehydrator. So you put it in here about like 120 degrees. You can actually make it a powder. So you can use it as a tea, you can mix it with sugar, and you can use it as a rimming sugar or rimming salt for all the cocktails. So you can use it as this. This is just tastes so delicious when you do this. Or you can use it as a tea, and you can just chew on these lemons, because this stimulates your acid production. Now it in fact increases your appetite and helps with the digestion, and it's great source for the vitamin C, which is really good nowadays to have. And then once you dehydrate them, how to store them? You put it in an airtight container. It lasts for several years. Maybe after a couple of years, once the color fades, that's an indication that you have to replace it, but still it won't get spoiled. But make sure that all the moisture is gone. If you want to make it in the oven, I know not everybody has a dehydrator. So if you want to make it in the oven, I think you put it at the lowest temperature. Maybe 200 is the lowest in most of the ovens. I'm not exactly sure how long it'll take because I never made it in the oven. I know that a lot of people do make it. But when you make it in the oven, there are some drawbacks because all the precious enzymes in the lime are gone once you put it at 200 temperature. But there are some benefits still there. In the dehydrator, you're preserving the enzymes, and it's a great way of preserving the lemons. So I just love these lemons. They're seasonal, so this is the month that you get them, I think, mostly. So enjoy them and preserve them when they're there, because they're not you don't see them all through the year. Thank you so much. I just wanted to show you the very interesting thing that I do with the dehydrator. And also another thing I want to tell you, I juice some of the lemons because I freeze the juice and use it for several things. And after I juice, don't throw out the lemon skins because they are so precious. It has been almost 1 day since I put them in the dehydrator. I just turned them off. I have 3 trays today. The top one is the one with the salt, and the second one is just the skins, and the third one, first time I tried the sugar. So it looks like they're all done. I'm trying the moisture test, and you just have to press with any cloth just to make sure there's no moisture left. And it doesn't have to be bone dry. It's okay to be pliable. That's in fact how I like it. And these lemons are really very delicious, and they're seasonal. So make use of them because you won't find it all through the year. Thank you so much for watching.